Have you ever shied away from designing with fancy stones? Even though fancy stones can generally cost more than faceted gems, you can design with fewer fancy stones than faceted gems, creating a beautiful, expensive-looking piece at a fraction of the cost. I'm Elaine. I'm a jewelry designer here at Fire Mountain Gems and Beads, and today I'm going to show you how to take a fancy stone and turn it into a beautiful, glamorous necklace.
Get our email newsletter for beading news, sale announcements, new product announcements, and more. Link is in the description below.
When shopping for jewelry, you'll often hear the terms gemstone and fancy stone. But what's the difference? Gemstones are natural or lab-created stones like amethyst, garnet, or sapphire, valued for their beauty, rarity, and durability. Fancy stones, on the other hand, are often man-made, like crystals or rhinestones, designed to sparkle and shine, but at a lower cost. Both can be beautiful. It just depends on your style and budget. All right, so let's start this necklace. This necklace that I'm making today, I chose a pear-shaped fancy stone, and the color is mango. It's really trendy right now. And I'm making it to go with these earrings that I had made previously that also have the mango color in it, but also our new pine green and orchid. So let's get started making it. All right, so I have here first a little piece of polymer clay on a tile. And why I have that is because I want to put my setting, and that's going to set it straight and it's not going to move. So I don't want my pendant to move while the glue is setting. I want it to stay in place. So that's a neat little trick. As you can see, the polymer clay pretty much holds the pendant in place. Okay, so next we're going to take some DevCon 5-minute epoxy, and I put a little bit in the tray here. And as you see, it comes out in parts A and B, and you activate it by mixing both together. Okay, and you want to give that a good few seconds to make sure you blend it all in. Okay, and you get a pretty good working time, but you don't want to work past 5 minutes. Obviously, it starts setting after 5 minutes, which is good. Okay. I think that's good. All right, and I'm going to slowly, just carefully start putting this DevCon in. Now, you want to be very careful not to get it on the edge because we don't want that DevCon glue to dry on the outside of this pendant. So you want enough. You want it to be leerable enough for the fancy stone to sit and stay, but you don't want it all glooping off of the side. Okay. And a little goes a long way, so as you can see why I didn't pour it into my pendant, and I'm using just a toothpick to set that in. And that's good, fair amount, okay? And the next hardest part, just setting that pendant in, and that's it. Now, as you can see, there's just a tiny bit of glue that I got on the outside there. And what we want to do is clean that up because, again, like I said, you don't want the glue to dry. So we're going to take a Q-tip and some rubbing alcohol, and we're just going to clean that spot up. It's nice and neat. That way you have a nice clean pendant when it dries. And then we're going to just let that set for 5 minutes. You see how simple that was. And here at Fire Mountain Gems and Beads, we have an array of different settings and different fancy stones that you can choose from. I have in front of me some more inspirations of simple fancy stones that are quick assembly and great for resale. Here at Fire Mountain Gems and Beads, we carry a huge selection of fancy stones and settings. I hope I've inspired you into looking into making fancy stone jewelry for resale. Hashtag us if you made something. We'd love to see what you created. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and sign up for our email newsletter. And all the products that you see in this video are in the description box below. Until next time, we'll see you then.